Welcome back to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make a refreshing mango juice. Take 1 cup of mango pulp. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. You will need to add more or less sugar depending on the sweetness of your mangoes. Then blend them for a few seconds. Now add in half a cup of cold water and blend for a few more seconds. Finally add in 1 cup of cold water and blend. Your refreshing mango juice is ready. Add in some ice cubes just before serving. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.